Thank you for watching today's video. I wanted to share my branded Blackwood bag that I recently purchased, as well as give you some styling tips on how to wear it. So, as you can tell, it comes in this lovely box packaged very nicely, I might add, in some tissue paper or wrapping paper, as well as in this lovely drawstring bag, which is perfect for travel. You know, I have the suede bag, so I definitely want to protect my bag when I'm traveling and keep it nice and clean. So here is my lovely beauty that I got. I got the Arlen bag in this purple suede. It's so pretty. As you can tell from the left side of the screen, I'm showing you the different colors that this bag also comes in. That hot pink one is fire. Okay, I wouldn't mind getting that one as well, because y'all know I love some color. So as you can see, it comes with this tissue in the inside of the bag as well to keep it nice and protected for you. And it came with two pockets, one a slip pocket and one a zipper pocket, and it's a pretty good size. It definitely will hold my essentials quite well. So let's get into this styling. How will I wear this bag? Keep watching. So for the first option, we're going to go with a nice clean and chic look, and we're going to do all white and allow the bag to just be a nice pop of color. So my shorts are from H&M, and I have this top from Zara and just some nice classic strappy sandals. And again, the bag is just going to do the talking for me with this outfit. Love it. So for option number two, we're going to go the classic route with just a white button-up denim and strappy sandals. The top, I just wanted to give it a more sexy look, so I left some of the buttons open. The top is from H&M and the jeans are from Zara. The jeans gave me a more funky look because they have slits on the side, an asymmetrical button at the waist, just to give it a little bit more on. Up next, we're doing the color blocking, which is my favorite. I went ahead and paired these green Zara pants with this coral cropped blazer from Zara as well with the bag. Again, color blocking all over the place. So cute. Up next, we're doing floral prints. Oh, I love this dress so much. It's just fun and sexy and flirty. And I love the yellow in this dress with the purple in the bag. I think for me, that's really what drew me to this combination, because those two colors really complement each other, and I just think it's fun, it's cute, love it. So the next option is mixed prints. I went ahead and paired some neutral mixed prints with this because, again, I want my bag to kind of just stand out and be the star of the show. My outfit will still tell its own story, but the bag is the real beauty of it all. So I just went ahead and paired these H&M pants and this H&M top for a more chilled and relaxed vibe. Nice, simple, and easy. Last but not least is this monochromatic look. I love a good monochromatic moment. These pants are thrifted and the top is from Zara. I love just the different layers of purple. Not everything is spot on, but I think these three purples go really well together. Nice and cute and classy and simple. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you some ideas and inspired you to style up your branded Blackwood bag as well. And hopefully I inspired you to buy one. Black-owned business, okay? Let's support them. Let me know which outfit was your favorite in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram at The Asian Monet, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!